Welcome. Today you'll learn how to send your location on Telegram using the latest features. Whether you want to meet up with friends, help someone find you, or simply share a cool place, Telegram makes it quick and easy. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to share your location. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a new chat you start just for this purpose. With the chat open, look for the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button, usually found next to where you type your message. Tap it to reveal a menu of options for sharing different types of files and media. From the menu, select Location. This will bring up a map interface within Telegram. Here, you have two main choices. If you want to send where you are right now, just tap Send your current location. Telegram will pinpoint your position and prepare it to send. If you'd rather share a different place, maybe a meeting spot or a business, just move around the map and select the location you want to share. Once you've chosen the right spot, tap the Send button. Your selected location will instantly appear in the chat, ready for your contact to view and use. They'll be able to open the map, get directions, or even navigate straight to you. That's all it takes. Sending your location on Telegram is a straightforward process that can be done in seconds. It's perfect for coordinating meetups, sharing travel tips, or helping someone find you when you're out and about. So next time you need to share your whereabouts, remember these simple steps. Open Telegram, go to your chat, tap the attachment icon, choose location, pick your spot, and hit send. Stay connected and make meeting up easier than ever.